cider, yeah. Is it? Cider. Trying to get the sign on it, but it's really hard. It's awkward. Sorry, man, down the road. These were like bathroom doors.
I didn't say all of that.
Mm-hmm. Look at the wheel.
Huh?
The wheel.
Wow. I would be all shook at that. Yeah, it's well cool. Don't get a name like that these days.
I like this.
What do you call it like? What do you call it?
Polystyrene.
Yeah, polystyrene.
Because you know.
There's been people coming here because it's always been candles right there.
Yeah.
Aye.
Oh, the doors are amazing. Wow.
Wow, look at that.
Now they are amazing now doors.
Oh, wow.
Oh, there's machinery here.
Oh, wow. Look at the size of that.
That would be to
Generate power.
blow air.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
And I've never got seen anything there in here. Oh, there's a way out here.
Oh, see.
Oh, no.
Hey, there's a way out here.
Huh?
Look at the toilets.
Oh my god.
This is where they probably
God,
slept.
so you just have your curtains.
Toilets.
Yeah, so you just have your curtain across the outside.
So that's exactly over there.
Looks like that's so good. That's the refuse all on that there.
No, that's just the way out.
Where's it going? Okay.
And that's just the way out. So what I would do is I'd go back and do the other way.
Yeah, we'll go the other way as well. But at least we know there's a way out if we don't stop. Yeah, we know there's another way out.
What's the end of it?
Wait, Cliff.
Huh?
Just wait a minute, Natasha.
Hey, actually, I'm going to record these toilets.
I just can't believe in the day that they did.
Wow.
That's how they had the privacy time, that on there.
That was only handy.
Sad, isn't it, when you think, especially if you wanted to poo, I mean, how embarrassing.
Right.
Think like that.
Paint a poo beside each other.
But there again, I suppose you'd be glad to be alive, innit, so you won't think.
No, you wouldn't get girl, would you?
No. I think gone are the days where everybody's about decency or whatever, you just want to be yourself.
Wow.
Did you hear that?
What?
Nothing.
Why did you say that?
I thought I heard footsteps.
I don't thought I did, but... Wait till Natasha will. Got to stick together.
Yeah, I'm just going to go.
Is she okay?
Yeah, I'm just...
No, I'm just telling him to wait. If you don't rush Natasha, if you want to do something,
Oh, you
we'll
can.
wait.
Oh, you can. We just walk away. We can just tour together.
No, you stay here with us, just in case any weirdos here.
Oh, right, true. I love it's weirdo
That's what a
women.
real man would do. They would say to protect the ladies.
I'm fair and treat very dwarf.
Sad though when you think it, or it must be alive. You know, I can imagine kids running up and down here playing.
I know, it's your heart, isn't it?
Yeah. Little boys chasing that little ball and playing football.
Just watch yourself, Slippy. That probably where the benches and all that.
I was saying to Natasha, I could imagine the children running up and down here playing when the sirens were going off.
Can you just stand to the right a sec, just to get that?
Oh, what, to the right, to the right.
Yeah, yeah. Over a bit, Mandy.
Hang on. Right, stay over.
Hang on.
Any spirits here? Any of the children or parents that used to be here? Any spirits? Could you make them come into the red for us? I mean, you know how.
One second, I'm just going to get these toilets again
Any
on it.
spirits here? Could you make the light flash? Any children? Any of the parents that used to shelter in here with the children? No, not yet. It was before, but not. Not yet.
Somebody's been here in a pug.
Yeah. I didn't see that before. I was walking up. Although I was too busy saying about the polystyrene in your fingers.
Huh?
I was too busy saying about the polystyrene in your fingers.
Wow.
You can tell there's been people there because of the candles. Probably teenagers. Reynolds actually, most of the troubles that fell through, aren't they?
Yeah.
At least, like I said, if you get stuck, there's another way out as well.